Cartoon Cars Road Roller. Oh, the road is broken. In the middle of this road is a big hole. Cars, we need to fill this hole so cars, buses and trucks can drive on the road again. So how can we repair it? The clever cartoon cars are bringing buckets of asphalt stones to fill the hole. But look, that's not enough to fill the hole. Shall we ask the truck to bring some in its truck bed? Hey, truck and excavator, will you help us fix the road, please? The excavator loads asphalt stones into the truck's bed. And the truck pours the asphalt into the hole. But the road is still not finished. We need a vehicle to make the road flat again. The cartoon cars know that to make the road flat, they must build a road roller. Are there any parts in the paint store? Nothing in there, but the blue car got splashed with paint. Wash off the paint with this hose, blue car. Oh look, here are 2 wheels for the road roller. Let's take them with us. The green car is looking for road roller parts in the ball pool. That's not a part. And that's not a part either, green car. Here's something. Great! It's the body of the road roller. The yellow car is searching for parts in the maze. She found the frame for the road roller. Take it away. The red car is looking in the garages. No parts here. Oh, all the balls fell out, but no parts. But in this garage, there is a big, heavy roller for our new vehicle. So now we have all the parts, let's build the road roller. We attach 2 wheels to the body, another 2 wheels, then the frame, and lastly the roller fixes onto the frame. Now our road roller is ready to work. The road roller rolls its heavy roller over the asphalt stones. This vehicle compacts the road to make it flat again, and the hole has gone. The road repair is complete.